Hi, I am M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to start MEDHA 12 Aptitude paper. Test pattern. In Aptitude, we have only two sections. Section 1, Quantitative Aptitude. Section 2, Logical Aptitude. Total 20 questions, Quant 10 questions and Reasoning also 10 questions. First question, the average of 13 consecutive natural numbers is x. If the seventh number is 22, find x. Average method, sum of n observations divided by n number of observations. Application of average concept. Given a series in an arithmetic progression, then average is equal to exactly middle number of the series. This example, 13 consecutive natural numbers is x. Average x and total numbers 13. Natural numbers means arithmetic progression. Then average is equal to exactly middle number. Where n is odd, then middle number n plus 1 by 2. 13 plus 1 by 2. 14 by 2. Seventh number middle. Seventh number already given 22. Therefore, average 22, x is 22, option B only correct. This is about concept of the topic. A is equal to S by N. Second example. A box contains a total of 45 coins of 1 rupee, 5 rupee and 2 rupees. The total value of all the coins in the box rupees 91. The number of 1 rupee coin is 1 more than the total number of 5 rupee and 2 rupees coins. This condition only important. First statement, value of amount, value is equal to 91 rupees. 1 rupee coins amount, 2 rupee coins amount and 5 rupees coins amount. Total sum 91 rupees. Amount is equal to number of coins into rate for each coin is called amount. But in condition, the relation between 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. Here 1 rupee coins is equal to 1 more than, more indicate addition operator, sum of 5 rupee coins plus 2 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins is equal to 1 plus sum of 5 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins. What is the number of 5 rupee coins in the box? And calculate number of 5 rupee coins. Option A 12, B 8, C 6, D 10. Here using option verification, that method only possible because general mathematical calculation, 3 statements, 3 unknowns, then only possible 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee. The type of statements are not given in this example. Then approach option verification method. Suppose option A, assumption 5 rupee coins 12 and also 2 rupee coins 12. 12 plus 12, 24 plus 1, 25. Then 1 rupee coins 25. Next 2 rupee coins 12 and 5 rupee coins 12. Total number of coins 25 plus 24, 49. But here given total number of coins only 45. This is not correct. Option B, suppose option B. Here next 1 rupee coins amount to 1 plus 8 plus 8. 1 rupee coins 17 plus 16 40 33. Again not correct. Option C again not correct. That value less than 45. Remaining option D. Suppose 5 rupee coins assumption is equal to 10 coins and 2 rupee coins also 10. Then 1 rupee coins is equal to 1 plus 10 plus 10. Then 1 rupee coins is equal to 21 coins. A total number of coins: 1 rupee coins 21, 5 rupee coins 10, 2 rupee coins also 10. Total number of coins is equal to 21 plus, here 41 not 45, is equal to 41. So option D only correct. Option A, suppose a 1 rupee coins is equal to 1 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 25. 1 rupee coins 25, 2 rupee coins 12 and 5 rupee coins 12 is equal to 49. But using option verification satisfied only D option only correct. This is about second example, but general method. Amount is equal to number of coins into rate for each coin. That is the method of amount formula in ratio and proportion topic. Next, third one, LCM and HCF concept. LCM 480, ratio 3:4. What will be the smaller number of this pair? Assumption: let first number 3x, second number 4x, and also calculate HCF. Highest common factor of 3x, 4x is equal to x. 3x, 4x, common multiple only x. Next method, product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Product of two numbers 3x into 4x, LCM 480, HCF x. Then x is equal to 40. Then first number 3x, second number 4x, smaller 3x, 3 into 40, 120. Option B only correct. Next, fourth example, number of zeros concept. Find the largest power of 143 that contained in 125 factorial. A. Not possible. B. 9. C. 12. D. 13. Not possible is not correct because 143 is not a prime number. 143 is a composite number. 143 is equal to 11 into 13, 143. You have to check only multiples of 11 and 13. That is only correct. 125 factorial. 125 into, 124 into, and so on 3 into 2 into 1. Above expression, calculate only multiples of 11, multiples of 13. That method lengthy and complex method. Next, to apply the short procedure. Composite number convert into a prime factors. 143 is equal to 11 into 13. Consider only largest prime factor because here number of 11s are more than number of 13s. Here possible only lowest power, that is only highest common factor, highest prime factor, that is 13. Therefore 125 divisible by 13. Consider only quotient but not remainder. 13 into 9, 117. Remainder 8. Remainder indicate conversion method. Quotient indicate number of 13s method. We want only number of 13s, only 9. So answer option B only correct. This method 143 in 125 factorial is equal to 9. That is 143 all to the power of 9 in 125 factorial. Next, example number 5. Statements and conclusions means logical deductions. Deduct the statements is called logical deductions. Statements number 1. All paths are roads. Some roads are highway. Conclusions. Some highways are paths. Some paths being highway is a possibility. Means maybe chance. A. Both 1 and 2 follows. Only 1 follows. Neither 1 or 2 follows. Only 2 follows. Statements and conclusions. The type of questions are given depending only Venn diagram concept. Using 2 statements, draw Venn diagram. Only 3 Venn diagrams are only possible in logical deduction topic. First one, all statement. Second, some statement. Third, no statement. Here only all statement and some statement. First, draw some statement Venn diagram. That is the common part between road and highway. Means some roads are highways. This is called first Venn diagram. Some roads are highway. Second, all. This indicate all relation. This is called Venn diagram of 2 given statements. In that Venn diagram, check the conclusions. Number 1. Some highways are paths. Highway path relation not given. We know that in logical deduction topic, if relation not given, then select the option maybe. That is called either or only possible, but not no highway is a path. That statement invalid. And also some highways are paths. These 2 combination is called maybe. But second conclusion, possibility statement is also given. That is only exactly correct. But first one not correct. So option only 2 follows. Option D. This is about deduction topic method. Next, 6th one. If the given figure is folded to form a cube, which symbol will come opposite to Z? Simple. Calculate only opposite to Z letter. Logic. Here B opposite to L. R opposite to D. Remaining K opposite to Z. Option D only correct. This is about a cube topic concept. Logical method. Here B to L, R to D, remaining Z to K. Next, 7th one. Mahendra is going to buy a laptop falling under the criteria of selection of the laptop given by his father. Conditions. Number 1. Must be for less than rupees 40,000. Statement number 1. Condition. Amount less than 40,000. B. Must have RAM equal or more than 8 GB. Less than or equal to 8 GB. Storage capacity. Must have Intel processor of version i3 or above. Next, exemptions. First exemption, he will need his dad's permission if it is for less than 50,000. Less than 50,000. 40,000 recommendation not required. But less than for 50,000, that is compulsory father permission. Next, statement B exemption. Here mother permission, storage more than 512 GB. Next, first condition, here cost 35,000 satisfied because less than or less than 40,000, but here 35,000 only given satisfied. And storage also 8 GB also satisfied. Next, Intel processor i3 or above but given i5 also satisfied. A pre-installed Windows 10, all conditions satisfied, then he will buy the laptop. Means option B only correct. Suppose amount 45,000, this type of statements are given. 45,000 means exemption of A. Father permission mandatory. Then select the option D. This is about decision making topic concept. All statements are given. Information also given. You have to verify the statements. This is called decision making concept. 8th one. Pawan scored 44, 31, 50, 90, 80, 70, 56 and 10 runs in 10 innings of a cricket match respectively. Find the median score. Statistics topic, mean, median and mode. Mean, sum of n observations divided by n number of observations. Median, middle of the series. Mode, most repetition number. But here calculate only median. Concept, first write either ascending order or descending order. Next calculate middle number of the series. N is odd, unique middle number, n plus 1 by 2. N is even, calculate two middle numbers. Then median is equal to sum of two middle numbers by 2. This is about median definition. First method, write in ascending order. 10, next 31, 44, 50, 56, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 innings of a cricket match. If n is even, two middle numbers are possible. One first middle number 50, second middle number 56. Therefore, median is equal to 50 plus 56 by 2 is equal to 53. Median is equal to 53. Next, mean. Also calculate mean. Mean is equal to sum of n numbers divisible by n number of numbers. Mode. Suppose 70. Mode means repetition of numbers. Example, 10, 31, 44, 50, 56, 70, 80, 90, 70. Most repetition number 70. Only correct. Mode, it's not unique. Again, also calculate the relation between mean, median and mode. Using that formula, again calculate mode also. Next, 9th example. 9 to 13 puzzle test means data arrangement, directions. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. A first question. Which of the following combinations of person and mode is not correct? Second, which of the following combination is true for yes? Some information is given. Using that information, 5 questions, 5 marks. First theory. 5 friends PQRST traveled to 5 different cities of Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad by different modes of transport of bus, train, aeroplane, car and boat from Mumbai. First statement, persons PQRST 5 persons, cities 5 places and mode of transportation also 5. Second statement, the person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. This is called condition. Next, third point, R went to Bangalore by car. Q went to Kolkata by aeroplane. This is clear information of Q and R. S traveled by boat where T traveled by train. Mumbai is not connected to by bus to Delhi and Chennai. Method, using above statements, draw one table. First condition, second condition and third condition. This problem using only 3 conditions. One is persons, second cities, third one mode of transportation. In a method, a persons always write in sequence order P, Q, R, S, T. Second, cities. Third, mode of transportation. First method. First, fill basic information of the statements. That is, R went to Bangalore, R city and also mode of transportation. And Q also given by aeroplane. Next, fourth statement. S traveled by boat, but S. Travel by boat, but city not given. T. Also train. Logic. Q. Aeroplane. R. Car. S. Boat. T. Train. All conditions are given except P. In this example, we have only 5 cities. Out of 5, 4 completed, pending only bus. Then that is possible only P. That is called P bus. P bus, Q aeroplane, R car, S boat, T train. That part completed. Next part only cities. Next to apply conditional information, conditional statement. The person who traveled to Delhi did not travel a boat. S boat means S city. Delhi is not possible. Next, Mumbai is not correct to bus to Delhi and Chennai. Delhi and Chennai bus is not possible. But P bus, Delhi not possible and Chennai not possible. Remaining possibility only one city, that is only Hyderabad. Next, yes boat but not Delhi, that is second statement. A remaining choice only Chennai only possible because remaining all places completed. Yes, Chennai. The last one T Delhi. This is called solution of the puzzle. Once again, here P Hyderabad bus, Q Kolkata aeroplane, R Bangalore car, S Kolkata boat, S Chennai boat, T Delhi train. The next question number 9. Which of the following combinations of person and mode is not correct? A P bus correct, Q aeroplane correct, R car correct, S boat. T aeroplane is not correct, T train only correct. So option E. 10th. Which of the following combination is true for S? Yes. Yes means Chennai and boat. Option C only correct. Which of the following combinations of place and mode is not correct? A Delhi by train only correct but not train. Remaining all are correct. Option A. The person traveling to Delhi went to by which of the following modes? Only train. Option B only correct. Who among the following traveled to Delhi? Only T. Only T. So option C only correct. This is about data arrangement. 5 questions, 5 marks. There is no formulas here. Questions are based on only above information. Important puzzles in APTITUDE. One is seating arrangement concept. Second, family related examples. Third, cuboid and dices. Next, fourth, classification. These models only important. This example belongs to classification model. Next, 14th, dices concept. The following figure shows the face of an unbalanced dice numbered 1 to 6. Then which number is on the opposite face to the one numbered with 6? Calculate opposite to 6 number. Only 6 faces. A5, B4, C1, D2. 3 dices given. First die 1, 6, 5. Second 5, 3, 4. Third 1, 2, 4. Method. First method. Using above dices, consider only most repetition number of 3 dices. 5 2 times, 1 2 times, 4 2 times. Suppose consider 1. Next, numerator and denominator. Denominator, dice contains only 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numerator. First die 1, 6, 5. Numerator, write 1 adjacent sides. First die 6, 5. Last die 2, 4. Next part, cancel method. Here 6, 5, 2, 4. Remaining 1, 3 means 1 opposite to 3, 3 opposite to 1. Similarly, next to 5. Same method. Denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numerator 5 adjacent sides. First dice 1, 6. Second dice 3, 4. Next part cancel. 1, 6, 3, 4. Next 2 opposite to 5. 5 opposite to. Remaining 4, 6 means 4 opposite to 6. 6 opposite to 4. We want only 6. 6 opposite number only 4. Option B only correct. Otherwise, third repetition number only 4. Check 4. Numerator and denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numerator 4, 3, 5. Next 2, 4. 4 means 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2. 4 adjacent sides 1, 2. In next part 3 cancel, 5 cancel, 2 cancel, 1 cancel. In next part 4 to 6, 6 to 4 means 6 opposite to 4 number. Next 5 opposite to 2 number, 3 opposite to 1 number. We want only 6 opposite number, that is only 4. Option B only correct. This is about dices concept. Next 15th, coding and decoding concept. If request is written as S2 R5 2TU, then how will ACID be written? A 1394, B 1D3A, C 1C94, D B3J4. Alphabetical order A1, B2, C3, D4 and so on Z26. Write in ascending order A, B and so on M. Next N to Z. Here A to Z, Z to A is the cyclic repetition but not any. Z number 26, A number 1, A number 27 are 1 because A to Z, Z to A is the cyclic repetition but not any. B 28 or 2, C 29 or 3 and so on. But here R next S, R next S. E number 2, E number 2. Again Q next to R, U next to 5, E next to 2, T, S next to T, T next to U. Method. Observation. E, U, E is called vowel. AEIOU. AEIOU. Right order. A first position, B second position, I third, O fourth, U fifth. Right order only. Here E second vowel, U fifth vowel, E second vowel. Others means consonants increasing only 1. Same method apply the given statement. ACID, A next B not correct because A is a vowel. A number 1, A number 1. C next to D, I is a vowel, place 3, D next to E, 1D, 3E, 1D, 3E, option B only correct. This is about 15th example. Number combination of letters. Next 16th. Find the number series. Number concept. It is classified into 3 models. Number 1, number series. Number 2, number classification. Number 3, number analogy. Number series. Sequence of numbers is called number series. Frame the sequence, that is called number series. 37, 47, difference 10. 47, 58, 11. 58, 71, 13. 71, 15, 86. 86, 95. 86, 95. 19. That is not a series method. 10, 11, 13. It's not a series. 10, 11, 13. Not a series. 10, 11, 12. Then only correct. Otherwise, 10, 12, 14. Correct. Otherwise, odd number, even number, prime number series, composite number series, prime series. These are only correct method. But here 10, 11, 13, it's not a perfect series. Next, apply the logical method. Logical method. 37, 3 plus 7, 10. Sum of the digits 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 37, 47. Again 47, 4 plus 11, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 47, 58. In 58, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 58, 71. In 71, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 71, 79. Again, you have to check next number also. 79 plus 7 plus 9, 16. 79 plus 16, 95. Satisfied. Here calculate only 79. Option B only correct. This is about number series. Next, 17th, crypt arithmetic. Let plus L is equal to R. Then A plus L plus L. Assumption E is equal to 5. Condition all the alphabets from 0 to 9 with distinct digits means repetition not allowed. Addition concept 3-digit number let again 3-digit number result 3-digit number ALL addition concept. Assumption E number 5 right E plus only 5 5 plus 5 10 here 0 next 1 carry. First possibility. Suppose second possibility number 2 let next Lee right E number 5 ALL right. Suppose here 1 carry also possible without carry and with carry. Here 1 possible then L number is equal to 1. Here again 1 carry right. First method or second method. Here O number 0 right O plus is equal to 0. O plus is equal to 0. Again O plus is equal to 0. But T plus 5 is equal to 0. Then T must be 5. But already E is equal to 5. T again 5 not possible. Then this is not possible. Second. Here 1 carry. Then L number 1 right. L plus is equal to 1. Here T plus 5 1 that means 11 because 1 carry here. T plus 5 11 then T must be 6. Here 6 plus 5 11 1 year 1 year. 5 plus 1 11 again L number 1 L plus only 1 1 time 1 time 2 that is not a correct. Enter this example 1 letter 1 number. Next L number 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. A number 3 L number 1 L number 1. Sum is equal to 5. 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. Here calculate A plus L plus L. 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 number is equal to E. So option B only correct. This is about crypt arithmetic topic method. Next 18th. Permutations and combinations. In how many ways can the letters of the word fraction be arranged so that no two vowels are together? Method. No two vowels are. Vowels do not come together. Both are same meaning. Vowels do not come together is equal to total number of arrangements minus vowels always come together. Calculate total number of arrangements. A total number of arrangements is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 8 factorial. 8 factorial. Next, vowels always come together. Vowels always come together is equal to. Here, vowels always come together. Above word divide two parts. First part consonants F R C T N. F R C T N. Next vowels A I O. Method. Vowels always come together. Type of questions are given. That condition always write in bracket. Suppose two are together. P and E together. One by one girl together. The type of questions are given in permutations. That condition always write in bracket. Together is called one word or one element. This is called is equal to 1. Count total number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial. And number of vowels 3. Arrange 3 factorial. Therefore, vowels always come together. 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Here, vowels do not come together. Do not come together is equal to total number of arrangements minus vowels always come together. Vowels always come together means 6 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to answer. This is about permutations and combinations concept. Vowels always come together. Total number of arrangements. Vowels do not come together. No two vowels always come together. One vowel, one consonant come together. Vowels occupies odd places or even places, etc. These models only important to permutation concept. Next, 19th example, probability. Probability is equal to n of e by n of s, where n of e number of events, n of s indicates sample space. All possible outcomes is called sample space. A next example, 80 cricket balls have been packed equally in two bags, A and B. A and B, A bag and B bag. Total 80. Equal means 40-40. A bag 40 and B bag 40. 20 of these balls have been signed by Kapil Dev. Some of the signed balls are in bag A and rest in bag B. Total signed balls only 20. Suppose A bag assumption X, then B bag remaining 20 minus X. One bag is selected and a ball is randomly picked from that. Given that the ball is signed, the probability that is from bag B is computed is to be 2 by 5. Here, probability of B bag is equal to 2 by 5. That is given. A probability of B bag is equal to 2 by 5. Probability of B bag is equal to only signed balls. Signed balls 20 minus X, C1. C1 divisible by total number of balls in bag B, 40. 40 C1 is equal to 2 by 5. A 20 minus X by 40 is equal to 2 by 5. Calculate, find X value. A 5 into 8. A 20 minus X, 16. X is equal to 4. X is nothing but A bag. Next B bag 16. A number of balls in bag A 4 and bag B 16. These are only signed balls. But total number of balls in bag A 40 and B also 40. Here calculate only how many of the signed balls in bag B. Only 16. Option B only correct. This is about probability. Probability method. Number of events by total is called probability. Next, last example. Mr. Raj lent out a certain sum on simple interest and the sum on compound interest at a certain rate of interest per annum. If the ratio between the difference of compound interest and simple interest of 2 years and 3 years is 10:31, what is the rate of interest per annum is dash. Note, if the difference between simple interest and compound interest for 1 year is rupees 0, that is D is equal to 0. Up to 1 year same rate of interest. Second, notation number 2. If the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years, D is equal to P into R by 100 whole square. Next, similarly, the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years, D is equal to P into R square 300 plus R by 100 cube. These are only important to the difference between simple interest and compound interest topic. But here ratio numerator 2 years formula, that is P into R by 100 whole square divided by 3 years P into R square 300 plus R by 100 cube is equal to 10 by 31. In this equation, calculate R. A P term cancel, again R term also cancel, is equal to 100 by 300 plus R. 100 by 300 plus R is equal to 10 by 31. Next part calculation, a 3000 plus 10R is equal to 3100. 10R is equal to 100. R is equal to 10. That is rate of interest 10. Option C only correct. This is about compound interest and simple interest, topic procedure. This is shortcut method, lengthy method, general procedure. Calculate the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years. Method, compound interest A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T, and simple interest PT R by 100. Calculate 2 years. Again calculate 3 years. These two difference. First calculate difference between compound and simple for 2 years. Again 3 years. Ratio is equal to 10 by 31. In that equation, calculate R, that is rate of interest, is equal to 10%. Using this method, very easy. Using general concept, lengthy. Calculate 2 years and 3 years. Simple 2 years, 3 years, lengthy concept. This is about MEDHA 12 paper aptitude question solutions. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.